Question 10. The ratio of the dimensions of a model car to the dimensions of an actual car is 1 to 64. The actual car has a length of 4.9 meters. What is the length of the model car in centimeters, correct to 1 decimal place? The question is asking for the length of the model car in centimeters, which means all measurements should be converted to centimeters where necessary. Now, the actual car has a length of 4.9 meters. So we're going to convert 4.9 meters into centimeters first. Now, 4.9 meters, if we multiply that by 100, because there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, we get 490 centimeters. Now, the scale that's given here is 1 to 64. That means the model car is 64 times smaller than the actual car, which means we'll take the actual measurement of the car, which is 490 centimeters, and we'll divide that by 64 to get the length of the model car. And we get 7.65625 centimeters, which rounds to 7.7 centimeters, correct to 1 decimal place. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.